help me and thank God.
Oh boy, what happened?
I have finally graduated from the university.
Omo, you know me now,
And I have also secured a white collar job in one of the most prestigious oil companies in Nigeria.
You don't mean it.
The Shell Company.
Omo, guy, I'm happy for you.
So I called you here to celebrate with me. In fact, excuse me.
Omo, guy, I'm happy for you. So this bastard for your mind now, you don't graduate, you don't secure job for Shell Company. Ogbeni guy, if I change them for you, you know go. I calm down, make I show you something.
The world is wicked, though. Don't even know that I have a bad friend. Fear.